Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Motorola Moto G57 Power. So first, what you guys want to do is remove the screen protector. If you have one, it's very important, and if you got a case, then make sure to remove it too, and let me explain why. Basically, whenever your case is covering those tiny bezels, so those dark parts between your case and the screen, if it's covering those and it's going off to the screen even a little bit, then what can happen is your screen will simply be not responsive or just less responsive. So we definitely do not want it. Now for the screen protector, if it's poorly applied here, as you guys can see, my protector is perfectly aligned with the screen. But if yours isn't and it's going off to the edges of your phone, so for example, the sides right here, then it's very bad, and yeah, that's why your screen might not be as responsive as you think it should be. Next, what you guys want to do is grab a microfiber cloth and then go over and clean your screen. So this is actually this. Now just give it a few swipes. You don't need to go hard on the device because everything will come off, like moisture, fingerprints, debris, and now our screen is shiny. What we want to do after cleaning the screen is simply restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time, tap restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it restarts. Now after the phone restart, what you guys want to do is go over and enter your password if you have one. Then simply go and update your software as a last resort. So open up the settings. Here we're gonna scroll a bit down until we see the system updates. Here we have them. Now all we want to do is click check for updates, make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection, and as you guys can see, everything looks good for me. I am using the latest software version, so my security patch is from 1st of January and my Android version is 16. So make sure that you are on the latest version too. If you're not, then make sure to update. It's very important to get rid of any old glitches and make sure that you update your software regularly. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.